Hey everyone, it's Brandon Rush. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today I will be showcasing the Leonard, which is located at 300 Main Street in New Britain, Connecticut. Smack dab right here, downtown New Britain, so great location. Big thanks to Dave Candelora of RE Commercial for allowing me to showcase his listing. Let me give you a few details about the building. So it's 57 units total. There are 4 commercial spaces on the ground level. Above that, you have 35 residential units and 18 units which are approved by the city and are currently under development, such as the one I'm in right now. Of those 35 residential units that are already in place, a lot of them are vacant. A lot of that due to the ownership cleaning up shop on a lot of these tenants who were under market recently and they weren't willing to go up on rent. So great value add opportunity there for a potential buyer or investor. So a couple more details about the building. It's located in an opportunity zone, so that will allow for significant tax savings over the next few years for the next buyer, owner, or investor, or so on. And also it's on the historic preservation list for the state, so there are potential federal tax credits available for the future buyer as well. The listing price on this property is $3.5 million. So that's it for the details. Let me get right to showing you the building. Let's take a look. Hey everyone, it's Brandon Rush. So just finished wrapping up the tour of the Leonard here at 300 Main Street. Once again, thank you Dave Candelora of RE Commercial for allowing me to preview this listing and show our audience. And hey, I hope you guys enjoy that. As you see, there is a significant amount of value add opportunity here. A lot of it just through rent increases, and also you see the condition of the building. It needs some love and care. So there's a lot of value opportunity in the cosmetic update of the building as well. The location is amazing, so it might be the right opportunity for you. So if you're interested, please reach out. Brandon Rush, 203-915-3803, or you could visit me on my website, brandonrushagent.com. Until the next time, I'll see you guys. Thank you so much.